Mastering phrasal verbs. The power of off. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our intermediate grammar series. Today, we're focusing on a very important topic: phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to delve into the world of off in phrasal verbs. By the end of this video, you will have a strong understanding of how to use off as a particle in various contexts. Before we start, let's do a quick recap on phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb and one or more particles. These particles can be prepositions, adverbs, or a mixture of both. Today, our particle of interest is off. The particle off is commonly used in English phrasal verbs. It can imply various actions like departure, removal, reduction, or completion, among others. Context is vital in understanding the meaning of the phrasal verb. Remember, off can change the meaning of the original verb dramatically. Let's look at some examples. Take off. This can mean to depart, often used in the context of airplanes. For example, the plane will take off at 10 p.m. Pull off. To achieve something challenging. For example, they managed to pull off the event despite the weather. Break off. To end or discontinue something. For example, he decided to break off the relationship. Don't forget, the key to mastering these is practice. Try to use these new phrasal verbs in your daily conversations and written English. This will help you to understand their usage more intuitively. And that wraps up our lesson on the particle off in phrasal verbs. I hope this video has shed some light on this sometimes tricky aspect of English language learning. Remember, English is full of such fun phrases and expressions. It's all part of the adventure. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!